Hi, in this video I want to talk about benefits of renting any property that is managed by your dream real estate. The first one is easy and simple rent payments. No need to go to the bank or mail the check each month. Easily pay the rent online with your checking account or even your credit card. Maintenance is easy to request and fast response. Forget about making phone calls and staying on hold for a long time. Requesting maintenance is easy online and the right people will get notification immediately. Being able to submit photos will expedite the service. Get credit for paying your rent on time. We believe that our residents should get credit for managing the payments for the place they call home. That's why we've partnered with Experian RentBureau to include positive rental payments data in Experian credit report. Different options for paying the rent. We want to make it easy on you. Your options are checking account, credit card, or even paying cash conveniently at a 7-Eleven or Ace Cash Express location close to you. And we do all of this because in your dream real estate, tenants comes first.